intelligence? Artificial intelligence, which is simply called as AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human-like intelligence is called artificial intelligence. The word artificial intelligence is firstly coined by John McCarthy in 1956. He made significant contributions in this field. Hence, he is called as the father of artificial intelligence. The key features of AI are learning, reasoning, perception, and natural language processing. AI can learn with the data, whatever given to it, it having reasoning ability and having own perception on the data, and it can understand the language of the data and it can translate one language into another. Now, let us see the unlimited potentials of artificial intelligence. Now, whatever I am going to tell you through this slide, these are the AI applications which we use in our day-to-day life worldwide. Like virtual assistants like Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistants are already helping us. Email recognition, giving security to our phones, computers, and our houses by Face ID locking system. Here I want to mention FRS attendance app which we use daily in our school. This app recognizes our face and puts our attendance ticks automatically. This makes accurate attendance data to the government to provide us PDFs, textbooks, and other facilities. In natural language processing, Google Translator is already helping us. It can translate any text to any language also. In predictive analytics, like in Amazon online shopping, Netflix OTT app suggests the best products depending on our personal taste. Autonomous systems like self-driven cars are already using in Western countries like Tesla cars. In healthcare, IBM company introduced an AI-powered application named IBM Watson, which provides personalized treatment for cancer patients. In finance sector, Alipay uses fingerprint and face recognition for safe money transactions. For our students in education, AI applications like ChatGPT, Meta AI are very useful. In fact, personally, I am also using Meta AI in my father's WhatsApp for my studies. Now let us see what wonders can AI do in future. In future, in health, robotic surgeries, personalized medicine for patients, cancer cure, identification of diseases before symptoms can be done in health. In future, in transportation, road delivery, smart traffic management, self-driven vehicles, self-driven flights, hyperloops will come in future. In education, personalized learning for students, AI tutors, virtual reality classrooms, automated grading will become more effective in education system in future. In space and exploration, human building colonies on the Mars, we can mine asteroids to get metals, non-metals and other valuable materials can be happened. Advanced astrophysics, space debris cleaning also can possible. In home and work, robotic helpers do all works in our homes. Smart homes and crime prevention will be seen. AI-generated music and entertainment will become more popular in future. Artificial intelligence has an unlimited potential, but it has some concerns also. If we do not regulate the concerns, it is dangerous to our humankind, like privacy issues, bias, lack of transparency, discrimination. Ethical concerns will increase in huge number. Job displacement will be the biggest issue in future. Some of the provisions which are now may be disappear because of automated machines, Internet of Things, machine learning and deep learning, etc. Most of the jobs need a knowledge on artificial intelligence. New jobs will require new skills will arise. Like the other concerns like bias, algorithm, security risk, social manipulation, disinformation, job automation, socio-economic inequality, autonomous weapons, creativity and ownership, defects, and many more. When we got loss of control in artificial intelligence, it will make definitely to a work against us. Next is but how can we reduce the risk? We can reduce the risk by following some rules and regulations like responsible AI development. But who develop AI then should
आप 9th स्टैंडर्ड में हो ना? 9th स्टैंडर्ड में हो ना? आप बहुत एकदम बकायद चीज हो यार.
Sir, I don't understand Hindi.
Oh, you don't need to. You don't need to. Just make sure that the energy that you carry, take it to every single field. I don't think you will ever need AI. I don't think so.
Then you perform like a professional rapper. Yeah. Just a small question. What do you mean by personalized learning?
Personalized learning. By meaning personalized learning, AI tests students. Example, first AI gives some questions to that student, and after the answering, it will automated grading and it will think the which subject liked by that student. It will do test and after it will and AI will provide that subject only and want to teach another subjects also.
Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Give an example. Suppose the tutor, which is basically a software, is asking you a number of questions. So depending on your answer, what will it do? You just said that it will.
Sir, my English is grammatically, but I know the answer.
Yeah, forget about grammar.
Can I tell it in Telugu?
Yeah. Somebody should translate it.
Can we have this teacher come up ahead, please translate to the judge? Speak little slowly, yeah?
Hold the mic close to your mouth.
Sound, mic, not yours. Your mic is on. Your mic is on.
Hello? Yes, sir, please. Sir, what was the question, please?
He's trying to explain what is meant by personalized learning.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes.
So can you just help him out?
ఓకే పర్సనలైజ్ లెర్నింగ్ గురించి నువ్వు సార్ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ నీ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి
The answer in Telugu.
ఎస్
He will translate.
తెలుగులో చెప్తే నేను దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేస్తాను పర్సనల్ లెర్నింగ్ అంటే ఏంటిది ఏంటి
సార్ పర్సనలైజ్ లెర్నింగ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే మనల్ని కొంచెం ఇలా క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతుంది ఆ టాపిక్ సంబంధించి తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తుంది
Yes, he's saying that AI asks some questions to the students. Depending on his interest, it will suggest other students. That's what he's saying as of now. Next.
ఆ తర్వాత దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే వాళ్ళ క్యాపబిలిటీ బట్టి అంటే వాటి యొక్క థింకింగ్ బట్టి ఏం చేస్తుంది వాళ్ళకి ఏం నేర్పియాలి వాళ్ళకి ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది అవన్నీ చేస్తుంది.
So depending on their capability and the interest subject which the student is. So it suggests, it gives the teaching depending on his interest and the grades he got.
దాన్ని పర్సనలైజ్ లెర్నింగ్ అంటారు.
So,
ఇట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ పర్సనలైజ్.
just give few example of robotics working for you at home.
రోబోటిక్స్ నీకు ఇంట్లో ఏ రకంగా హెల్ప్ చేస్తే అనుకుంటున్నావు కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇవ్వు.
సార్ ఇన్ మై స్కూల్ అంటే మా స్కూల్లో ఇప్పుడు మా ఇంగ్లీష్ టీచర్ ఉంటుంది సార్ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఒక రోబోట్ ఉంటుంది ఇట్ విల్ మాప్ అండ్ క్లీన్ అవర్ హోమ్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ.
ఐ థింక్ యూ సెడ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్. ఇంకేమన్నా అదొకటి అది ఎనీ అదర్ ఒకటి మాపింగ్ చెప్పిన ఇంట్లో అంటే భవిష్యత్తులో ముందు ఏ రకంగా హెల్ప్ చేయొచ్చు ఇన్ కుకింగ్ హౌ కుకింగ్ అంటే హౌ అంటే ఎట్లా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది మీ ఇంట్లో ఇన్ యువర్ హౌస్.
బట్టలు ఆరడం దాని సార్
హౌ అంటే నాకు తెలుగు చెప్పు పర్లేదు. Okay. What he's saying is to dry the clothes, he uses the robo or something like that. He said. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.